Hey, I'm Coach Casas, and today I'm going to show you how to throw a curveball. First thing we need to do is learn the grips. Alright, so the curveball, you got to know the grip. So the first thing you got to know is that it's got to be of a U shape. Once you have the U shape, you know where to grip it. So your two fingers right here come in and get placed on top of the lace, with the index finger being a little closer on top of the other ball so you can have that little push down. Afterwards, your thumb, for me, I personally like to put it on top. That way when I push that spin rate, it comes this way and naturally gives that little spin. Alright, so again, we went over the grips. Now it comes time to talk about the arm angle. Again, you have two options. You have the 12-6, which the spin is going this way, or you have what I call the slurve, which is a little bit more of an angle. That's what I throw, is more of the slurve, because I like that downward angle, but coming from right to left as well too. It makes the hitters kind of move or think twice about swinging. 12-6 is just a little harder to control and more room for mistakes. So let's take a look at a couple of them, all right? So again, get the grip, look in for the catcher, go into your motion. There you go. Now you guys know how to throw a curveball. Again, the main things is make sure you have the U, put the fingers there, the thumb on top of it, and you do it yourself.
You smile.